The folding knife is one of the most useful tools known to mankind. For hundreds of years, these knives have helped us in hunting, box cutting, fishing, usual kitchen chores, and accomplished countless other tasks from mundane to the life-changing. Anyone from a military man to a contractor, a craftsman, woodworker, or even an outdoorsman can get a lot from using one of these knives. The foldable design alongside the easy-to-use handle plus the additional tools you may encounter increase overall usability of this item. Moreover, folding knives are designed in a way that they can easily slide into your pants pocket, hence delivering easy access and transport. Also, if you're someone who is going on a camping trip, someone who usually does woodwork at home, or just a simple DIY person, then having a pocket knife can be quite beneficial for you. Plus, a well-made folding pocket knife can last a lifetime without issues. However, we have listed the 5 best folding knives in the market, so let's check them out.
Hello there, we're the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so that viewer can make their proper decision.
The SPYDERCO PM2 is an extremely popular folding knife, and for good reason. This thing just plain cuts, breaking down cardboard, food prep, opening packages, and most other everyday cutting tasks are a breeze. It boasts a flat-ground CPM S30V blade with a simply indexed 0.57 inches SPYDERCO round hole for gloved or large hands. Aside from its razor-like qualities, another great feature people like about the PM2 is its ergonomic handle that you can grip in several ways. Its handle is carved with 2 finger coils for an ergonomic profile, and the handle scales are flat pieces of textured G10 over stainless steel liners. It measures 8.24 inches overall. The SPYDERCO ParaMilitary 2 blade length of 3.42 inches combines with the full flat ground style to provide a powerful cutting tool for all your daily cutting tasks. Additionally, the ParaMilitary 2 delivers the exact opposite experience of such knives with its compression locking mechanism. Also, it comes up with 4 mounting positions, meaning you can carry your knife in the comfiest positions for you. For the price, the SPYDERCO PM2 knife delivers an amazing value. So if you're looking for a compact and lightweight pocket knives, the SPYDERCO PM2 folding knife is for you. The Kershaw 1660 Leek folding pocket knife is an impressive design with an even better look. It is made in the USA with the quality of Kershaw. The specs of the Kershaw Leek are pretty standard. This knife is 7 inches over length, 4 inches close length and 3-inch blade length, and weighs 3 ounces. This means it is the ideal size for a pocket fit and light enough that you won't know it is there. Its handle is made of 410 stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about corrosion or rust. Since its handle is completely made of 410 stainless steel, making this knife overall durable. And the pocket knife will last a long time. Moreover, its blade is made of Sandvik 14C28N steel, which takes the fine edge and holds it well. The Kershaw 1660 Leek folding pocket comes with a fantastic feature called Knife Speed Safe. If you've never used a Kershaw pocket knife with Speed Safe before, it is a superb little feature that lets you open it with one hand seamlessly. Also, it designs pocket clips to fit specific knives according to weight, purpose, end use, size, style, and hardware. However, it is really easy to master, and you can flip the blade open by using the raised assist very quick and easy. Plus, its sleek style makes it wonderful for a folding pocket knife that won't snag, and it clips with ease to hold in place. If you are looking for a pocket knife that is ready for any situation, you need not to look any further than the Smith & Wesson SWMP4LS assisted folding knife. This is a sturdy, practical and affordable pocket knife. It is a solid pocket knife that will feel sturdy in your hand, featuring an edge-retaining 4034 black oxide high-carbon stainless steel blade, a black aluminum handle, and a spring-assisted opening, closing and locking system. The SWMP4LS is a perfect EDC for outdoor enthusiasts. Also, this knife is designed to comfortably fit in your pocket, because its overall length is 8.6 inches with a blade length of 3.6 inches, and this knife weighs just 7.6 ounces. It comes with a magic assist opening. When the red dot is showing, the knife is ready to be deployed. When the red dot is hidden, the knife will not be deployed at all. Other great features include a black rubber inlay for grip padding, a safety lock to ensure the knife stays open, a glass break tool for emergency situations requiring breaking glass like a vehicle window to escape, and a pocket clip to hold it in place. It has a long blade with serrated features and a nice weight that makes it a perfect rugged outdoor knife. It can even be folded down into a pocket-sized shape. Overall, this is a superb knife for those who plan to carry it in the great outdoors rather than to and from work in the city. The CRKT Drifter will deliver you with all of the nuts and bolts of a high-quality yet reasonably priced folding pocket knife. It has a 2.88 inches long blade that can be easily opened and closed with one hand. In addition, its G10 handle ideally fits both big and small hands, and the Drifter also has a light texturing that improves users' grip. Also, the CRKT Drifter stainless steel has a lightweight titanium frame lock construction. The drop point blade of this drifter is made of HCR14 mob steel that is high carbon stainless steel that has excellent hardness, wear, abrasion and corrosion resistance. With a classic drop point shape, this knife provides its users a strong and controllable point and a large belly for slicing. The drifter's blade also features a hollow grind. It is a nicely sized knife with a closed length of 3.66 inches, that means it fits perfectly in your hands. Plus, the blade's thickness is 0.09 inches, and the tip of the drifter has a lean point, making it great enough for almost any everyday task. Lastly, this knife weighs 2.4 ounces. Finally, the CRKT Drifter knife is well built and will perform reliably under different circumstances, so the choice is yours. The Kershaw Brawler's modern styling and modified that into blade make it one of the best looking knives for the price. This knife is an awesome choice for daily uses like cutting open boxes, cutting leather, slicing through ropes, or any other everyday material. It has an overall length of 7.375 inches, which includes a 3.25 inches long blade. It weighs just 3.8 ounces, plus the blade is made from sturdy steel known as HCR13 MOV. This is a good quality budget steel that is widely used by most China knife manufacturers. The handle of the Brawler is made up of glass-filled nylon scales with a stainless steel locking liner that makes this handle very light. Moreover, the Kershaw Brawler's deployment is very fast because of the speed-safe assisted opening technology. Therefore, this feature makes for easy one-handed opening. In addition, this knife has a pocket clip that can be mounted in 4 different spots in the pre-drilled handle, allowing it to be mounted for tip up or tip down, left or right-handed carry. All in all, this would be an excellent gift for those who need or want to carry a folding knife for the job site, home maintenance, or a fishing trip with their sons.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.